In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export from Looker Studio. Once in a while you find yourself neck deep in data visualizations and analyses in Looker Studio, and you come across a need to share your findings or simply use them in other applications. That's where exporting your data comes in handy, and today I'm here to walk you through that exact process step by step, ensuring you can do so with ease and confidence. First, let's get started by navigating to the Looker Studio website. You can do this by typing https://lookerstudio.google.com/ into your browser's address bar. This will take you to the homepage of Looker Studio, where all your data visualization quests begin. Once you've arrived at the homepage, your next step is to securely log into your account. To do this, click on the Home option. You'll be prompted to enter your email address. Go ahead and type in the email associated with your Looker Studio account. After entering your email, you'll then need to input your password, hit the login button, and voila, you're now logged into Looker Studio. At this stage, you're ready to dive deep into your projects. On the Looker Studio main page, direct your attention to finding your specific report by clicking on Looker Studio, or navigating directly if you have a URL to your report. For our purposes today, let's assume you're working on the Black report, a mock report I'll use for this guide. Once you've found and clicked on your report, it's time to connect your data source. For demonstration, we'll assume you want to connect a Google Sheets document as your data source. Click on Google Sheets, and then proceed to select your specific sheet, let's say clients for this example. To add the data from clients into your report, simply click on Add. After you have your data in place, the next natural step is to export it for external use or analysis. Navigate to the portion of the data you wish to export, and on the menu options, look for and click on Export. This little action prepares your data for its journey outside Looker Studio. But wait, you're not quite done yet. When you click Export, you're faced with options: Export as CSV or Google Sheets. This choice depends on how you plan to use your data outside Looker Studio. If you need to perform further analyses in Excel or another spreadsheet tool, exporting as CSV might be your best bet. Conversely, if you're planning to share the data with others who prefer real-time collaboration, Google Sheets would be the way to go. After selecting your preferred format, your data begins its export process, and in no time, you'll have it available in the format you chose. It's that simple. A few additional tips to keep in mind. Always ensure your data is clean and well organized before exporting. This step ensures that your analyses or presentations outside Looker Studio are as effective and efficient as possible. Also, remember that the way you structure your data in Looker Studio can affect how it looks once exported. So take a moment to review it before hitting that export button. And there you have it, a comprehensive guide to exporting data from Looker Studio. Whether you're a seasoned data analyst or just starting, the ability to export data is a crucial skill in your Looker Studio toolkit. With the steps outlined today, you're well on your way to mastering this task. So go ahead, give it a try, and unlock even more value from your data visualizations and analyses. Happy exporting.